Welcome to another video, and today in this video we're doing cooking. This is the third video I've done on cooking. I've got this cookbook and we're going to be doing trying to boil an egg. So yeah, let's get the eggs. So what you'll need is eggs, a small pan which is that one. Just give this a quick rinse. I know you guys can't see, but just rinsing out this pan. This pan isn't completely rinsed out because we just had an egg in it. I was just cooking from it a second ago. But yeah, so we'll put that on. And then, oh wait, I think I need to fill it up with, hold on guys. So, okay, so what you've got to do is we've got to fill this up with water, hot water. And then you've got to boil this water, put the egg in by lowering it down. It doesn't have to be too hot, just a bit hot. I'm just waiting for that tap to warm up a bit. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, that should be enough. Should I empty a bit of that now? Right, there it goes. A bit hot. Not too hot, no, it's just warm. I will be cutting in videos, so we need to turn this on. There we go, so we'll just get that bubbling. I'm going to lower that down so it's not too high. There we go. So that's going to get bubbling. And then you've got to lower it down. It takes 12 minutes. So we've got to lower it down when it starts bubbling. So I'll just cut. Okay guys, so it's about to start bubbling now. It's just doing it very slightly. I've just realised it's not hard-boiled eggs. Well, you could do hard-boiled, we're doing soft-boiled eggs. To do hard-boiled egg, it's the same thing, but put them in there for 12 minutes. We're doing it for 2 minutes, 22 seconds, 4 minutes. Between 2 minutes and 20 seconds or 4 minutes. So we've got a stopwatch here. Okay, and it's starting to bubble. So just get this stopwatch on. Okay. And first egg is going in. Yeah, I think that should be okay. Just turn this down a bit. Oh gosh. Okay, first egg is in. I'm gonna have to keep turning these eggs. Okay, start. So we've got to keep turning these because there's not enough water in it basically. What are they? There's something on the egg, like I'm not sure. Oh. Keep turning them about. So we're on 35 seconds now. And we're going for 2 minutes 20 because I want these to be really soft. Yeah, so basically just, oh no, has it cracked? Oh, one of the eggs have cracked. Oh, damn it. Oh no. That sucks, doesn't it? Oh, you little son of a gun. Oh, don't tell me that one's cracked as well. Okay, I'm just gonna leave them in there for now. Ah, it's hot. Let me get this. So we're on 1 minute 48, 49, 50. Okay, I feel like turning this off now because we're on 2 minutes. So if I just let that boil, and then I've got to take. Okay, let's just get a jug of cold water. So I need a bowl. Oh, I can't believe that egg cracked. I'm so mad. I am really like thingy down. Okay, is that 20 minutes? 20 seconds, yep. Okay, there we go. They should be done. So, we're going to try and take them out. Well, we're going to try and take one of them out. Can't really have the other unless I do another one. But I think I might do. Yeah, I'm going to do another. So, if I just get this first one out. Okay, there we go. Right, I'm gonna get this one out as well. And up. I'm just gonna put that there for now. Okay, let's turn this back on. Okay, that should be pretty hot. I've just went 2. Can't believe I cracked it. Let's see though. If this doesn't... Yeah, it has. Start this time. I'm going to go for 2 minutes and reset. I'm going to go for 2 minutes. Okay, I'll see you guys back. Okay guys, so that's done. I need... Where's that gone? There, okay. So, got me a bowl of... bowl of cold water here. Just put that in there. And that one has not cracked, luckily. Okay, I'm just going to leave that there. So, just move the camera. I'll show you guys over to... Actually, no. Do it over... I don't know what to do. Okay, I'm just going to have to do it here. So, well, this egg is cooling down a bit. We've got this one. Oh, that's really nice and warming. We've got this one. So, we need... there's the other egg, by the way. Okay, I just thought I'd break it up. Let's see if we can take the top off. Never done this before. I've just seen my mum do it. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that looks real nice. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, that is absolutely perfect. Alright, while that one's cooling down a bit as well, I'm gonna put a slice of toast in. Actually, I'm gonna have toast salad. Oh, come on. No bread left. There's only one slice. Oh, that is beauty. That is okay. see, dude. Dude, that is the best egg ever. Okay, I think that's alright. Oh, that looks amazing. I can't wait to try it. Oh, this one looks quite good as well. This one was cooking slightly longer, I think, as well. Oh, this looks good. Bit of the shell in there. But yeah, these are soft boiled eggs, so what you can do is cut some of the, cut some of the bread into like soldiers / sticks, and then eat them. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do now. I'll see you guys later. Bye.